In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up A/B tests on your WordPress site using Oxygen and using Optibase. So first things first, I have the Optibase plugin installed. If you don't know how to do that, go to the link in the description. We have a video showing you how to do that. So here we are on the Optibase dashboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on Create New Test, and we're just going to call this Button Test. So there's actually 3 types of tests you can run in Optibase. In this video, we're just going to do A/B test, but I am going to explain them all to you. So an A/B test is what you want to do if you want to test 2 different things on the same page. So let's say, for example, 2 different sections, or in this case, just 2 different buttons with different words on them. Then there's a URL split test, and that's when you want to test 2 different variants of the same page. So let's say you have a home page, it's been performing well for a while, but you just made a new one and you want to see if that one is going to do any better. Finally, there's a multivariate test, which is kind of like a big super combo of A/B tests. Let's say you have a hero A/B test, a feature section A/B test, and a CTA A/B test. You can do a multivariate test to run all of those at the same time and find out which variation of those works the best. So anyways, let's go ahead and select A/B test just like that. Then we need to set a conversion, and this is basically what you want to be the marker of success. So in this case, it is a button click. Let's go ahead and click on Create Conversion, and let's just call this button click. Then we have the option for count once per user. So if you are doing a e-commerce site or something where people can convert multiple times, don't check this off. For pretty much anything else, check it off to keep your data the same. Now, we're doing a click because we want to track when someone clicks the button, but there's also a form submit conversion event, page view, scroll depth, time on page, and programmatic, which can be triggered via JavaScript. So let's leave this as click and click on Create Conversion. Now we need to connect this conversion, and we're going to do that using custom attributes. So as you can see here, data Optibase click conversion ID equals, and then we have button click. So let's go ahead and add that now to both of our button variants in Oxygen. Just like that, we have added both of them. So now we can go back to Optibase and click on next, and then we can add our variant. So let's click on create variant and do BTN1. And then let's do BTN2 for the other one. Just like that, create variant. And again, we're going to add attributes to each one of these. But in this case, it's not the same attribute because each one is a different variant. So we have data Optibase variant ID, button 1, button 2. Let's go ahead and add that now. So we've added our attributes and connected our variants. We can go ahead and click on complete, and there's just one more thing that we need to add. So we need to add the test attribute to both of these variants as well, which is data Optibase test ID, and then the name of our test, which is button test. So now we have added all of the attributes. So the final thing left to do is either to schedule it or click active. I'm going to click active in this case. Now all we need to do is wait for some data. So we're all done with that. I'm just going to show you a couple of the other things that you can do within Optibase in order to get the most of it. So you can actually set restrictions on your A/B test. So let's say you want to restrict it by location, screen size, operating system, and browser. You can also set the test to auto stop or send you an email alert when a certain thing has happened. So let's say when the conversion rate equals 8%, we want to be notified or auto stop the test. Along with that, you can view your overall site analytics with things like location, screen size, operating system, browser, and pages. And along with that, you can whitelist domains so that other people cannot use your Optibase script, blacklist certain IPs, you can choose whether or not you want to collect IP addresses, and you can also export your data. Along with that, if you are a freelancer or you're an agency working for clients, Optibase has workspaces, so you can create different workspaces for each client. That's it for this video. If you want to see more Optibase and Oxygen videos, let us know in the comments below. I'll see you soon and have a great day.